Hello and welcome to iIntelligence iTechnology. It is 21st August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Tesla, Uber, and Waymo all get the okay to operate thousands of robotaxis in Nevada. Together, these permits would allow up to 8,000 robotaxis to be deployed over the next 12 months. How landscape gardening is being electrified. The switch to quieter electric equipment is not going as fast as some would like. Marvel's Wolverine, Spider-Man developers turn to a more cutthroat character. Even filmmakers have been inspired by Insomniac's take on Spidey. But the studio's tried and tested format might not fit a superhero with such sharp claws. The recent Marvel Spider-Man games have become so tightly interwoven with the character's core that they've been cited by both actor Tom Holland and director Destin Daniel Cretton as an influence on this year's blockbuster film Spider-Man: Brand New Day. Walmart sees Q3 growth hit as Flipkart shifts Big Billion Days sale. Walmart expects Flipkart's Big Billion Days sales event moving from Q3 to Q4 to weigh about 100 basis points on growth next quarter. The company said India drove growth in Walmart International's operating income and advertising revenue. AI data startup Micro One reaches $500 million gross run rate amid AI training boom. Surging demand for AI training data is driving rapid growth for the startup and its rivals. Is Vine back? Short-form video sharing app Divine opens to public. The app lets users create 6-second looping videos and hosts more than 2 million classic videos. UK cinemas look at banning Meta smart glasses over piracy fears. Trade body says local chains would have to balance concerns with potential benefits of AI-enabled technology. Cinemas across the UK are considering banning customers from wearing Meta smart glasses amid fears they could be used to pirate films. The UK Cinema Association, UCA, trade body said that a number of local chains could end up introducing policies that restrict camera-enabled smart glasses at the big screen, adding to a growing list of venues concerned about covert use. Cash-free payments posts 52% jump in revenue in FY26, losses narrow. Over the last 2 years, cash-free reported marginal growth in revenue and no improvement in the bottom line following a year-long ban by the Reserve Bank of India on online payment aggregators from onboarding new merchants, which was lifted in late 2023. Learn what VCs actually want from a founder who's raised $1 billion. Investors want founders who understand the financial reality of their business. Messy data, misunderstood metrics, or waiting until you're nearly out of cash to start fundraising can cost founders leverage, valuation, and even a term sheet. In this episode of Build Mode, host Isabel Johannesson sits down with Sasha Orloff, founder and CEO of Puzzle. The Dusk Blitz, the best of From Software fights in a frantic multiplayer battleground. The Elden Ring creator is known for epic single-player RPGs, but its new action game is all about multiplayer interactions, fighting, chasing, befriending, even proposing. Lovenro City's skyline is dominated by an oppressive clock tower, silhouetted against a moody red sky and an impossibly large, ominous moon. A retractable bridge splits the map in two, and a network of slimy sewers runs beneath the city streets, offering flanking routes for crafty players. OpenAI introduces new safety tool to protect user privacy. Under Zedia, OpenAI does not save a customer's prompts or the AI's responses once a task is finished. No OpenAI employee can view the content, and unless a company chooses to opt in, none of that data is used to train AI models. OpenAI is gaining on Anthropic with business users, new data indicates. Businesses are willing to flop back and forth as each lab releases new models, volatility that should give both companies investors pause about how sticky enterprise AI spending really is. Crustaceans are the subject of tests to see if alkali is added to seawater, so it absorbs more CO2, harm marine life. But Trump's halt to funding threatens to scupper the research for many in the U.S. region of New England. The lobster roll is synonymous with summertime. Loaded into a toasted bun, chunks of the sweet meat are served hot and soaked in butter, or chilled and slathered in mayonnaise with celery and herbs. The only thing more debated than the recipe is the price. The once humble roll now routinely fetches $30, 22 pounds, or even $50 in a sign of the changing times and seas. That is all for this bulletin from My Intelligence I Technology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.